Okay, everyone, here's something a little different for today's video. We're looking at a 1948 Dodge Ram 1-ton dually pickup. This is my truck that I've owned for about 4 years now. It's a little customized. It has a Chevy frame on it, and a Chevy engine will be going in it. But this is a 48 Dodge cab. This is a very nice truck. As you can see, it has 83,219 original miles from the original engine that was in this truck. It is now out of the truck, and I'm not sure where the engine is now. So when I do restore this, which will be soon in these next coming years, I've already decided on my color, which will be this orange right here. This kind of candy orange. I'm not sure. I think this is the first series with the chrome plate, and then we have our Dodge plate. And no, this is not a Ram. Ram wasn't a division of Dodge by the time this is made. I do have the hood, which I can show you real quick. It's in here. Let me turn my light on. And there is a hood for the truck. Then have a Ram emblem right there, or hood ornament, sorry, hood ornament. But I have a newer, nicer one in my room that I will put on the truck when it's complete. You may be wondering what all these black spots are for. What they are is sanded down rust, and then there's primer over them, although some of these that I did a few years back started to come off. But, and then it does have the mirror. I do have the mirrors for it. I also do believe that they are in here. Let's see. I know that the mirrors are in here somewhere. There they are, right there. Right there is one of the mirrors, and then the other one is right there. They're intact. Most of the glass on this is all intact, although it is very dirty. It needs to be washed, as you can tell. And then this is a dually flatbed. Again, this is a Chevy frame, and this is a Chevy bed thing. This and this have nothing to do with that. And then again, there's the dualies. And then these tires, believe it or not, are brand new. Never been on the road. There's our vent. Then if we come back in here, we can see still has all the dashboard components. Another mirror up there. Part of an old head visor. Some very nice seats. They just need to be washed up. There's a heater, ashtray, original keys. And as you can tell, the sideboarding needs to be redone. So, from what I understand about this truck, is that the person who owned it was having some engine problems, took it in to get repaired, and then ended up being more work than he wanted to pay for, so went to the scrap yard, which if you know where I'm talking about, or live in Deming, or not Deming area, sorry, like the Bellingham area on Iowa Street where all the car dealers are. The Toyota dealer right next to the highway used to be a scrap yard, and that's where this was saved by my grandpa. And then, as you can see, show you real quick, you can see how there's a gap between that fender or board and then on the other one there really isn't. Let's see, can't really see, but the other one on passenger side needs to be lowered down, is before they were right up to the door, which there's no point in having them then, because you might as well just step all the way up instead of being able to use it to help boost you up. So it needs a little work done. Most of the body work is done. It's very smooth, as you can tell. I don't feel any dents. So yeah, there is a 1948 Dodge Ram 110 dually flatbed pickup. Please comment below if you have any questions on this or would like me to do more detailed review, or if you'd like me to show you something that I maybe did not go over in the video that you were looking for. Please tell me and I will try and get back to you and do what you would like. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time, and yeah, bye for now.